Hello friends, we are wondered about the twinkling of star. तारे क्यों टिमटिमाते हैं? Why advanced sunrise and sunset? Sun हमें पहले ही दिखाई देता है. Why this thing is happening? The actual position of star is different from its apparent position. Why all these things are happening? So due to the atmospheric refraction. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन के बारे में. व्हाट इज एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन? क्या होता है ये? क्यों तारे टिमटिमाते हैं? व्हाई द ट्विंकल्स स्टार्स, ट्विंकलिंग ऑफ स्टार्स, व्हाई द पोजीशन ऑफ स्टार्स चेंजेस, एडवांस सनराइज, एडवांस सनसेट, and what is the atmospheric refraction we will discuss in today's lecture. That is, our topic is atmospheric refraction. Hello friends, my name is Lokesh Solanki and this is our beautiful channel Physics Lover. You already know refraction. आप जानते हैं refraction क्या होता है? When the ray of light is passing from one medium to another medium, then it bends towards the normal or away from the normal. कि जब ray of light क्या होती है? one medium, another medium, second medium. When the ray of light is passing from a one medium to another medium, then it bends towards the normal or away from the normal. ये क्या होती है? या तो नॉर्मल की तरफ झुक जाती है, अदरवाइज अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल, नॉर्मल से दूर चले जाती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द डेंसिटीज ऑफ डिफरेंट मीडियम. मीडियम की डेंसिटीज क्या हो रही है? चेंज हो रही है. ठीक है. दिस इज इंसिडेंट. सपोज दिस इज अ रेयर मीडियम and this is a denser medium. Okay, so in this condition the ray of light bend towards the normal. This is the actual path of ray of light. It bends towards the normal. ये क्या हो जाती है? bend हो जाती है. कहाँ पर? normal की तरफ. It bends towards the normal. That is the refraction. What is the atmospheric refraction? Atmospheric refraction means when the ray of light is passing through the atmosphere, then the refraction is known as a atmospheric refraction. जब ray of light क्या होगी? एटमॉस्फेयर से पास होगी, then that is the atmospheric refraction. When the ray of light passing through atmosphere, that refraction is atmospheric refraction. But why? ऐसा क्यों? We are already familiar that our atmosphere is consist of the air particles, molecules, gases. हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो एयर से मिलकर बना हुआ है, एयर से, गैसेस से, मॉलिक्यूल से. And we know that each and every time the density of air changes. हम क्या जानते हैं? Each and every time the density of air changes. This is our earth. ये है हमारी अर्थ. Okay, and that is our atmosphere. This is our atmosphere. Okay, that is our atmosphere. In this atmosphere we have so many dust particles, air molecules, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. Okay, there are so many things in our atmosphere. So our atmosphere consists of the airs. हम मान सकते हैं कि हमारी जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसमें क्या है, एयर है. ओके, एयर, डस्ट पार्टिकल्स, and the temperature of the air is not constant everywhere. Means our atmosphere consists of air, and the temperature of air is not constant. जो टेम्परेचर है एयर का, इट इज नॉट कांस्टेंट एवरीवेयर. वी जनरली नो दैट कि आवर एटमॉस्फेयर है वो 5 लेयर्स. हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर की जनरली 5 लेयर्स होती है. ठीक है. व्हेन वी मूव इन अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम द अर्थ, then the density of air is decreases. The density of air decreases when we move upward direction from earth. जब हम अर्थ से क्या होंगे, when we move upward direction, the density of the air decreases. Means each and every time the density is changing, and we know that when the ray of light is passing through the different densities, there is a refraction. तो उस कंडीशन में क्या होता है, रिफ्रैक्शन होता है, and that refraction is known as the atmospheric refraction. उसी रिफ्रैक्शन को हम क्या कहते हैं, atmospheric refraction कहते हैं. Let us see how. Let us suppose this is the ray of light is coming from the sun on any another source like a star. So when it is passing through the atmosphere, यहाँ की density क्या होगी, less dense, and that last layer more dense. Means the ray of light each time bends. उस कंडीशन में ray of light क्या होगी, each and every time bends towards the normal, and this phenomenon is known as the atmospheric refraction. Okay, whenever the ray of light is passing through the earth atmosphere, due to the different densities of the air from different places, yeah, different layers of the atmosphere, in this condition there is a refraction, and that is known as the atmospheric refraction. This is happening because of the temperature. Temperature क्या होगा, if the temperature is a low, cold temperature, then the atmosphere is a dense for warm air, more density, and for cold air, okay, from warm air less density, and from cold air more density. Okay, so that is all about the atmospheric refraction. Let us discuss about why the stars appears far from the actual position. स्टार्स अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से क्या दिखाई देते हैं, हमें दूर दिखाई देते हैं. While stars seen, why the star seems they actually are. Okay, the star seems higher than they actually are. That is also a phenomenon of atmospheric refraction. The stars seem higher. They actually are. Why this thing is happening? कि जो ओरिजिनल पोजीशन होती है स्टार्स की वो हमें डिफरेंट दिखाई देती है because of the atmospheric refraction. It is due to the atmospheric refraction. Okay? Because let us suppose this is the earth. ये है अर्थ एंड दैट इज द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑफ द अर्थ. ये एटमॉस्फेयर है. ओके, वी नो दैट द डेंसिटी ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेयर इज इंक्रीजिंग. ग्राउंड की तरफ ये क्या होती है, सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ डेंसिटी क्या होती है, मैक्सिमम होती है. ओके, कि when the ray of light is coming from the star and reaches to the ground, it then there is atmospheric refraction. Okay, ये है हमारा स्टार. This is a star. Okay, ray of light is coming from the star. In vacuum the ray of light is straight. वैक्यूम में क्या होता है, रे ऑफ लाइट कैसी होती है, स्ट्रेट रे ऑफ लाइट होती है. ओके, it is a straight, but when it passes through the atmospheric refraction, यहाँ पर क्या है, लेस डेंसिटी की एयर है, थोड़ा सा बेंडिंग होगी. यहाँ पर मोर डेंसिटी है और बेंडिंग ज्यादा होगी. जैसे जैसे हम नीचे बढ़ेंगे बेंडिंग इज इंक्रीजेस. तो क्या होगा उस कंडीशन में, रे ऑफ लाइट ऐसे बेंड हो जाएगी. We are here to observe the star. Then the star looks like here. Star हमें कहाँ दिखाई देगा, हमें यहाँ दिखाई देगा. We will see the star at a different position. This is the actual position of the star. Actual position of a star and apparent position. That is the apparent position. So what we can say that when the ray of light or beam of light, when the ray of light is coming from the star, and enters into atmosphere of earth, enters into atmosphere, then due to atmospheric refraction, it bends, and we see the star is higher position. और हमें क्या दिखाई देता है, स्टार की जो पोजीशन है, द डिफरेंट पोजीशन. एंड atmospheric refraction, it bends each and every time, each time due to changing density of atmosphere and we will observe position of the star is higher. Okay, when the ray of light is coming from the star, when it enters through the earth atmosphere, each time it bends towards the normal. ये हर एक टाइम क्या होगी, bend होती जाएगी. Okay, and due to that bending we will observe that कि the position of star is higher than they actually are. That is, the star seems higher than they actually are. Okay, so this is also atmospheric refraction, example of atmospheric refraction. And we always seems the apparent position of the star, हमें जो दिखाई देता है वो एक्चुअली नहीं होता है because of the atmospheric refraction. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel and share this video. Okay, best of luck for your examination. पढ़ते रहें और बढ़ते रहें.